Welcome to our social brain, where circuits light up not just when we think, but when we feel, connect, and care. From the moment a social cue lands, neurotransmitters throw a little party in the brain, guiding perception, judgment, regulation, decision making, and action. It's a dance of neural structures and social structures, a shared sky where our tomorrows are painted by collective behavior and the quiet shaping of experiences. Think of social neuroscience as a field that maps how we read faces, voices, and vibes, how genetic polymorphisms tend our responses to a crowded world. It's about the brain's social capacities, theory of mind, cognitive perspective training, empathy, compassion, and the socio-affective and socio-cognitive streams that color how we relate to others. Mirror neurons wake up when we observe, feel, and resonate with someone else, while the anterior insula, inferior frontal gyrus, and anterior middle cingulate cortex light up as we share feelings, trouble or warming kindness, or sense unfairness in a group dynamic. In this living system, brain plasticity is our friend. Brain circuitries adapt through life experience, mindfulness-based mental training, and compassion-based mental training intervention. From contemplative sciences to contemplative diets, we explore how structured practices, solitary attention-based meditation, mindfulness, and dyadic social interventions alter neural and hormonal signals, modulate autonomic and endocrine pathways, and nudge our social capacities toward resilience, empathy, and stress. The goal isn't just inner calm, it's relational harmony, relational partner-based practices, and app-based lab programs that can sharpen compassion, deep mentalization, and nurture shared humanity. But the stage isn't always bright. Societal mental health deterioration, loneliness, social isolation, polarization, loss of social cohesion stretch our immune systems of mood and mind. Here, translational social neuroscience steps in, connecting lab insights to real-world tools that boost mental health, reduce stress, and increase well-being. Circles of tolerance, compassion, and inclusivity emerge as we cultivate mindfulness, contemplate dyads, and empathetic concern, and move from car-carrying sympathy to action, altruistic motivation grounded in genuine care and affiliation. Under the hood, we see how sensory input translates into perception, judgment, and action, how context, environment, relationships, and social culture modulates interpretation. Cell biology and aging meet the social brain, and its telomere length and telomeres activity become a piece of a large story about cellular aging and the stress of modern life. Ultimately, it is a saga of human prosociality, a tapestry of empathy, compassion, and cognitive perspective taking. It's about understanding how mind, brain, and society co-create experience, and how compassionate science can feel adaptive, inclusive, and resilient ways of being together. So we train the mind, tune the heart, and listen for the subtle signals that connect us all in the shared humanity of everyday life.